वेलकम टू सारिका स्टडी एकेडमी। तो आज क्लास 8 का जो साइंस का चैप्टर नंबर 10 है उसका ये पार्ट 2 होगा। तो इसमें फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन 6 क्वेश्चन है, पेज नंबर 8। आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन इन शॉर्ट। तो इसमें फर्स्ट है व्हाट इज मेंस्ट्रुएशन, एक्सप्लेन। तो इसका आंसर है इन द फीमेल फ्रॉम द एज ऑफ 10 to 12 years bleeding in reproductive tract occur once in about 28 to 30 days is called menstruation. During the reproductive phase of female, one ovum matures and is released by one of the ovaries once in about 28 to 30 days. During the period, the wall of the uterus becomes thick so as to receive the egg. If fertilization does not occur, the released egg and the thickened lining of the uterus along with the blood vessels are shed off. This causes bleeding in woman, that is menstruation. Menstrual cycle continues from the age of 10-12 years to the age of approximately 45 to 50 years every month till she does not get pregnant. Menstruation is an indication that she is not pregnant. Question 6 का question 2 है list changes in the body that take place at puberty. ठीक है, तो इसका आंसर है द चेंजेस इन द बॉडी एट puberty. फर्स्ट, sudden increase in height. Second, the bones of arms and legs increase in length and individual appears tall. Third, growing of hair at different parts of the body. Fourth, broader shoulders in boys whereas in girls hips widen. Fifth, the secretion of sweat glands, sebaceous glands increase. Sixth, development of sex organ and hair grows under the arm and in the pubic ring. Seventh, growth of mustache and beards in the boys while in girls development in mammary gland. 8. In boy, larynx can be seen as a producing part of the throat while in girl the larynx is hardly visible from the outside. Question 6. State 4 physical changes seen in girls during puberty. The answer is in girl during puberty several changes such as increasing height, padding of hips and high pitched voice, development of mammary glands etc. are seen. Second point है the period between the age of 11 years and 18-19 years in the children is adolescence. Third point है several changes in the body during adolescence mark the onset of puberty. Fourth point है during puberty acne and pimple are seen on the face due to excess activity of sweat glands and sebaceous gland. Page number 9 question 4. Question 6 का 4 question है what are the sex hormones, why are they named so, state their function. The answer is the hormones which help in development and control of the secondary sex character are called sex hormones. They are named sex hormones because they secrete from sex organs and control sexual activities as well as help to distinguish boy male from girl female. Function of the sex hormones: they control the development of secondary sex characters such as boys begin to grow facial hair and that is mustache and beard, hair on chest broader, shoulder rein, growth of muscles more prominent etc. in girl, development of mammary glands, widening of hips that hips etc. in both boys and girls, hair grow under the arms and in the public ring. नेक्स्ट चलते हैं क्वेश्चन 6 का 5 क्वेश्चन है what is called puberty, state its time period. The answer is the human body undergoes several changes during adolescence. These changes mark the onset of puberty. The most important changes which marks puberty is that boys and girls become capable of reproduction. Puberty ends when an adolescent reaches reproductive maturity. several changes in the body during adolescence mark the onset of puberty। सेक्शन 6 हम आगे के नेक्स्ट पार्ट में कंटिन्यू करेंगे। ठीक है, तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय।